Show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve each of them. X minus y dy minus x plus y dx is equal to 0. The given differential equation can be written as, so keep dy upon dx and put this term on the right hand side, bring dx below dy and put this term below x plus y. So it will be dy by dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. So let's consider this as f of x comma y. Okay. Now putting x as lambda x and y as lambda y. So f of lambda x comma lambda y will be lambda x plus lambda y upon lambda x minus lambda y. Okay, so the lambda can be taken as common and then it can be cancelled out. So it will be lambda is to 0 f of x. Therefore, it is a homogeneous equation. Now to solve we have to substitute y is equals to vx. Differentiating it with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx by chain rule. Substituting the value in the equation, we get v plus x dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Okay, so we'll put this v on the right hand side, so it will be x dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v minus v. So it will be, after cross multiplying, it will be 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v. Okay, so 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v, this is the right hand side, right? So we'll put this in the left hand side and we'll put dx and x on the right hand side. So it will be 1 minus v because it will get reciprocated, right? So 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv is equals to 1 upon 1 plus v square minus v upon 1 minus v square dv. So this can be written as this dv is equals to dx by x. Okay, integrating both the sides, will get tan inverse of v minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus v square. So this is written as tan inverse of v and this is written as 1 by 2 log 1 plus v square is equals to log x plus c. Again, substitute the value of v is equals to y upon x. So tan inverse of y upon x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus y upon x the whole square is equals to log x plus c. So tan inverse of y upon x minus 1 by 2 log x square plus y square minus log x square is equals to log x plus c. Okay, so tan inverse of y upon x is equals to 1 by 2 log x square plus y square plus c. Okay, so this is the required solution.